Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Facebook verification failed. Well, there are a couple of reasons that you can follow in order to go ahead and fix this problem. And the first and the best method, and the only method that I'm going to show you on this video, is going to be by opening your Facebook or opening your Safari or any browser that you use and simply going to Facebook help or support, just like that. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on Help Center right over here. And you want to simply go ahead and head to Login and this right over here. Then you can simply go ahead and click on My Facebook account is locked, and you're going to be taken to this page right over here. Simply go ahead and click on Confirm Your Identity, which will simply go ahead and verify yourself right through this process, and this should go ahead and help you fix the problem. If it still doesn't, then the final thing you want to try to do is simply go ahead and search for facebook.com/recovery. Or you could also write facebook.com/hacked. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to this page. You want to simply go ahead and click on the next button, and you're going to be taken to this page right here. Simply click on I can't see the right option in this list and click on continue. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and type here to Meta AI Assistant what your problem is, and it will give you the solution. But the best thing you need to do is simply go ahead and write I need human contact. And once you do that, Facebook actual employees are going to be in contact with you in that exact chat. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.